Good day to each and everyone. So here I am again. Today we will going to discuss about the content of Module 9. So sit back and enjoy watching. The first topic that we're going to discuss about is entitled A Christmas Carol. It is a movie based on Charles Dickens' classic novel. This 2009 film is directed by Robert Zemeckis. It features Jim Carrey, that is voicing the characters of Scrooge and the Three Spirits in a 3D adaptation. The movie explores the story of Ebenezer Scrooge, a miser who is visited by spirits on Christmas Eve to show him the error of his ways. The film received a positive reviews for its animation and faithful adaptation of the original story. Charles Dickens, the author of A Christmas Carol, was a renowned English writer and a social critic of 19th century. He used his writings to shed light on the social issues of his time, particularly the harsh conditions faced by the poor. Dickens' works often depicted the struggles of working class and the need for compassion and social reform. His writing continues to be celebrated for its vivid characters, social commentary, and timeless themes. So let's move on to the next topic, which is entitled The Controversial Genius Behind Alice in Wonderland. It is a documentary entitled The Secret World of Lewis Carroll. It is produced by The Timeline. The documentary explores the life and works of Lewis Carroll, the author of the iconic novel Alice in Wonderland. It delves into the controversies surrounding Carroll's personal life and his relationship with young girls, particularly Alice Liddell. The inspiration for the character of Alice, the film examines Carroll's fascination with photography and unconventional friendships with children. Lewis Carroll, whose real name was Charles Lutwidge Dodgson, was a complex and enigmatic figure who is not only a writer but also a mathematician, logician, and photographer. His imaginative storytelling and unique blend of fantasy and logic in Alice in Wonderland have made him one of the most influential and controversial figures in children's literature. Let's move forward to the next topic, which is about Clive Staples Lewis. He is the creator of Narnia. It is a documentary entitled The Real Life of C.S. Lewis. It is produced by the Absolute History. The documentary explores the life and works of C.S. Lewis, the renowned author of the Chronicles of Narnia series. It delves into Lewis' upbringing, his conversion to Christianity, and the influence of his faith on his writings. The film highlights Lewis' friendship with J.R.R. Tolkien and the Inklings, a literary group that discuss and critique each other's works. So C.S. Lewis was a prolific writer, a scholar, and a theologian. His imaginative storytelling and moral themes in the Chronicles of Narnia have made him a beloved figure in children's literature. Lewis' works continue to inspire readers with their exploration of faith, courage, and the power of imagination. So let's talk about The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. It is the first book in the Chronicles of Narnia series. It is written by C.S. Lewis. The story follows in the four siblings who stumble upon a magical wardrobe that leads them to the enchanting world of Narnia. In Narnia, they become embroiled in a battle between good and evil, with the iconic character of Aslan, the lion representing the forces of good. The book explores themes of bravery, sacrifice, and the triumph of good over evil. C.S. Lewis, born as Clive Staple Lewis. He was a British writer and scholar. He was a close friend of J.R.R. Tolkien and a member of Inklings, a literary group that met to discuss their own works. Lewis was known for his Christian faith, which greatly influenced his writings, including the Chronicles of Narnia. His imaginative storytelling and moral themes have made him one of the most celebrated authors in the children's literature. The next is entitled The Bridge to Terabithia. It is a novel written by Katherine Paterson. The story revolves around the friendship between two fifth-grade students, Jesse Aarons and Leslie Burke, who create an imaginary kingdom called Terabithia. In this magical world, they escape from their challenges of their everyday lives. However, tragedy strikes and the book explores themes of friendship, loss, and resilience. Katherine Paterson, the author, is a renowned American writer of children's literature. She has received numerous awards for her work, including the Newbery Medal for Bridge to Terabithia. Paterson's writing often delves into complex emotions and tackles difficult subjects, resonating with readers of all ages. Her ability to capture the essence of childhood and explore profound themes has made her a beloved figure in the literary world. So the next one is a famous story which is entitled The Peter Pan. It is a classic children's novel that is written by J.M. Barrie. The story follows the adventures of Peter Pan, a mischievous boy who never grows up, in his encounters with Wendy Darling and her brothers in the magical world of Neverland. The book explores themes of imagination, adventure, and the bittersweet nature of childhood. It highlights the contrast between the carefree world of Neverland and the responsibilities of growing up. J.M. Barrie, born as James Matthew Barrie, was a Scottish author and playwright. He was known for his whimsical storytelling and ability to capture the essence of childhood. Barrie's creation of Peter Pan has become one of the most iconic characters in literature, symbolizing the desire to remain forever young at heart. His work continues to inspire readers of all ages with its timeless themes and enchanting storytelling. This is the last part of this video. So the topic that we're going to discuss in this last video is about the 10 writings tips from J.K. Rowling, or should we say Joanne Rowling. So this writing tips is a collection of advice that is given by the renowned author himself. The tips provide valuable insights into the writing process of her guidance for aspiring writers. Rowling emphasizes the importance of perseverance, discipline, and reading widely to hone one's writing skills. She encourages writers to write for themselves and not to be overly concerned with others' opinion. So Rowling also stresses the significance of editing and revising, as well as the need to embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. J.K. Rowling, born as Joanne Rowling, she is a British author that is best known for creating the Harry Potter series. Her books have captivated millions of readers worldwide and have been adapted into successful films. Rowling's journey to success was not without its challenges, and her personal experiences and wisdom have made her a respected figure in the literary world. Her writing tips reflected her own dedication and passion for storytelling that is inspiring writers to pursue their creative dreams. So that's the end of this video. I hope you like it, and toodles everyone.